choosing the right product is crucial nowadays. So that's the reason we made this video. Hope this will help you, and let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're considering Lexington Law for credit repair, here's my honest experience after using it for about 6 months. Overall, Lexington Law is one of the more well-known credit repair services, and my experience with it has been fairly structured and professional. I signed up because I wanted help dealing with negative items on my credit report, and the onboarding process was simple. One of the biggest advantages is that they handle most of the credit dispute process for you. Instead of manually contacting credit bureaus, they prepare and send dispute letters on your behalf, which can save a lot of time if you're not familiar with how credit repair works. Another positive is the ongoing monitoring and updates. You can track progress in your account, see what items are being disputed, and get updates as things move forward. That level of structure can be helpful if you feel overwhelmed by the credit repair process. However, there are some important downsides you should pay attention to. The biggest one is cost. Lexington Law can get expensive over time, especially if your credit repair process takes several months, which it often does. Another thing to keep in mind is that results are not guaranteed. Even with professional dispute letters, credit bureaus will not remove accurate negative information just because it's disputed. So expectations need to be realistic from the beginning. Also, the process can take time. If you're expecting quick improvements to your credit score, this is not an instant solution. It often requires patience over several months. After 6 months of use, my overall experience with Lexington Law has been positive. It's a convenient, hands-off option for credit repair with a structured process, but it's expensive, and results depend heavily on your individual credit situation. Thanks for watching. And I hope this review helped you decide whether Lexington Law is the right credit repair service for you.